know what I get tired of hearing? Reva, I need more watch time. Reva, I need more views. Oh my God, I need 1,000 subscribers. I need 4,000 watch hours or else I'm not going to make it. I'm not going to have monetization. I've been known to be very patient, but guys, you are not a slave to the algorithm and you're not a slave to YouTube. So stop. Let's not get it twisted. It's just a platform. So just relax. And if you've been acting like that, this video's for you. So I want us to stop creating for some little black box that we've never seen before, that we actually don't know how it works. Stop worrying about the YouTube partner program monetization like it's your only resource. The algorithm doesn't even know you or me. As a small content creator, it doesn't even know us. We're creating for people. We're creating for our actual people. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 tips to untrain your brain from hustling for the algorithm to creating for real people. Hey, welcome back, and I'm Reva. And if I sound a little bold or a little bit brash or a little bit in your face, it's because I am, but it's because I care. So before we get into the 3 tips, I want to share with you a message from today's sponsor, Viral Thumb. So you guys know how I hate banking thumbnails. It's such a stressor to me. But now I can take the guesswork out of my work with a brand new smart AI tool, and it's called Viral Thumb. Viral Thumb is helping me to raise the CTR on my videos and on my channel overall because I'm able to use this smart AI tool that's taking the guesswork out of my work. I'm able to take for inspiration a viral thumbnail that's already working in my niche and from videos that's already getting views on the topic that I want to use. All I have to do is grab that thumbnail as inspiration and start crafting my own viral potential thumbnail from one that's already working. Once I have the thumbnail, all I have to do is easily modify some of the elements. I'm able to add me to the thumbnail and remove the background. I'm able to move myself around. I'm able to change the text, the color, and most of the elements on the thumbnail to make it my own. That way I'm not copying. I'm using their thumbnail as inspiration. I'm able to quickly and easily and most effectively work my content workflow in a way that's stress-free. All you have to do is sign up with your email and test things out. See how you like it. I know you're gonna love it, because if you hate making thumbnails like I do and you need something that's stress-free, then I want you to check out the link below and get your access to Viral Thumb. Let's get back to the video. You all know by now that I'm a Gen X creator. I do not have time to waste on things that I don't know or don't understand and do not work. The algorithm doesn't grow your channel, people do. It's all about the people who click, the people who stay, the people who share, and that you share with them because you actually want to help them and they are invested in you. Stop trying to create viral moments and worry about, am I going to go viral and create viral content, when actually you should be worried about and concerned about creating a viral system so that you can continue to show up consistently for those same people. It's time for us to start changing our mindset and creating for our audience and creating a brand that we can be proud of and the message that actually resonates with who we are as people. It's time for us to slow down. You're not behind. You don't need to rush. All you need to do is build a strategy and a system that aligns with you, your value, and your time. So today I'm going to be actually talking to you about 3 ways to retrain your brain in order for you to stop thinking and acting like a small content creator. Tip number 1, stop chasing favor and start building some trust. When you start posting just for reach and start posting just for growth, that ends up being a losing game and taking a toll on your mental health. You got to start asking yourself questions like, what if your next video actually solves somebody's problem instead of being somebody's clickbait just for a view? If we start thinking about building trust for 1,000 people, that's more profitable than chasing 100,000 views. And I know we all want the views because somehow that brings validation, but honestly, that's the wrong thing to be chasing after. Tip number 2 about how we're going to untrain our brain and stop playing as a small content creator is this: thinking that attention equals impact, because it really doesn't. It is not the same thing at all. Attention and intention is not equal. Attention doesn't lead to action. Sometimes that leads to chaos and a lot of noise. But impact, on the other hand, is key. Impact speaks to real people and causes transformation and impact on their lives. Hopefully positive impact. I want you to think about that last video that you saved, the one that really made impact, that had you thinking, the one that you actually shared with some of your friends. Think about that kind of video and think about how you, as a small content creator, you can start making that same kind of impact that'll make somebody want to save and share your video. Think about the reasons why you actually saved and shared that video, and how was that video impacting to your life? What questions did it answer for you, and how did that video make you feel? Then I want you in your own content to try to recreate something like that in your own voice, with your own vision, and for your own niche. That is when you'll start making true impact and not just getting attention and eyes on your videos. Tip number 3 on how we're going to untrain our brains and stop playing as a small content creator and making real impact. Actually replacing motivation with systems and strategy. If you're waiting to feel like motivated, or I need to feel that feeling in order to bring some content or make that video, then sometimes you're going to be waiting for a really long time. If I waited for every time I felt like making a video, and if I didn't press past my ego and my own selfishness, I would be missing out on helping thousands of people that I was called to help. So sometimes you have to press past what you really feel like and move from motivation to discipline and determination. Heck, right now, even before this video, I grabbed my coffee, I did a little meditation and some downtime so that I can get past myself in order to bring myself to you. I'll say this, if I waited every time now I was motivated to come on YouTube to make content, honey, I'll be waiting a long time. Let me tell you something that's greater than motivation, and that is systems and strategies. And if you want access to my AI tool that helps you to stay on strategy and gives you a system and a plan to show up here on YouTube, then I'm going to be leaving you that link down below, and you can grab your 12 bundle content creation AI tool that helps me to make all of the content, whether I'm on YouTube or Instagram, LinkedIn, or Facebook. This helps me to stay consistent and show up every single week, 3 times a week on socials. So I want you to grab that down below. So listen, the algorithm doesn't reward you for being tired. And this is not grade school. You're not being graded for your effort, even though the YouTube Analytics Studio might tell you otherwise. When you treat your content like a solution and not a paycheck, that's when you can begin to win again. And I have another question for you. What would your next video look like if you didn't care about the algorithm, if you didn't care about the YouTube Partner Program paycheck? What would that video look like? These are the kind of questions that I ask my clients on our coaching calls, because we understand that it's not just about views, it's about value. And if you want to be a part of my upcoming coaching session starting again in August, I want you to go ahead and do your pre-signups, because I'm not taking as many clients as I did before, because I'm not about that burnout life. So I'm going to be working with 3 to 5 special people so that I can devote my time, my talents, and treasures to them. And yes, I know all about CapCut and the scandals that's happening. And I know you guys have the question, am I going to continue using CapCut? I'll be talking about that in my upcoming videos. But until then, I want you to check out this video next. And I want you to check out this playlist next if you want to continue to grow your business, your brand, and your YouTube channel. See you next time on the next video. Bye-bye.